von Neumann and Wigner, David Bohm. A lot of these guys were like, actually, we think the mind could collapse the wave function. And then you have parapsychology institutes at elite universities across America, the Rhine Center at Duke, Stanford Research Institute, Princeton Engineering and Anomalous Research Lab, which was started by the Dean of Engineering at Princeton. And they all have something called the random event generator experiment, which is basically you tie something that is conventionally thought of as random in quantum mechanics, so something like radioactive isotope decay or a double slit experiment where you have 50-50 distribution between the two slits. No quantum physicist could ever argue that that's not basically a perfect coin flip, right? Over a long enough period of time within a standard deviation, you expect a certain amount of slit 1, a certain amount of slit 2, left slit, right slit. And you bring an observer present and you say, I want, more of the right slit or I want more of the left slit. And it's usually tied to a graphical interface and you're seeing ones and zeros. And in a statistically significant way, consistently, all of the people who've studied these random event generators come out saying that the person is able to affect the supposedly random quantum mechanical event. That's crazy. And it's not necessarily inconsistent with the original Copenhagen interpretation of quantum mechanics. So I think we've just totally gone astray. I think people like Tom Campbell are bringing back the very importance of consciousness.